girls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with a new kind of video. As you can see from the title, I am unboxing the shoes that look like socks, these Balenciaga trainers, and y'all, I had to come and hook you up. Like, I'm super excited for this video, and it's, again, new for my channel, but I did partner with JDSNEAKER. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video, so let's do it. Okay, girl, let's just jump right into this video. I need y'all to get real close. Get real close, okay? Get real close to me. So, if this video isn't for you, if this isn't the taste that you're going for, if you can't see yourself rocking this shoe because of where it came from, baby girl, go ahead and skip this video. Or go ahead and like, comment, and then skip this video. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get it. This is not for everyone. Okay. Now we're back to normal. So what I'm trying to say is, listen, this is a how to be a baddie video, baddie on a budget video, bad and bougie video, whatever you want to call it. But listen, this is a budget video. So with that being said, everything you see is designer inspired. It is not authentic, and I was curious. I partnered with JDSNEAKER, and I figured this was a really good opportunity, and what better way to give it a shot than to order it, let you guys see, and get your feedback. Now, there's nothing absolutely wrong with deciding to make sense when you're spending your money. If you don't see yourself spending $1,000, $700 on a pair of shoes, girlfriend, I get it. I've never spent that much on shoes. Now, if we're talking about handbags, that's a different story. But when it comes to shoes, I definitely never done that before. This is definitely bad and bougie on a budget, and I just wanted to show you dolls some other options that are out there, because I understand we're all from different walks of life, and I do get that not everyone wants to even buy designer, even if you could and can afford it. So listen, again, if this is the video you want to see more of, give me a thumbs up. So yeah, now we got that out the way. This may be a new series on my channel. It all depends on your feedback. So already, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Stop and subscribe to this channel. First, we start with the box. As you saw in the video, the box is decent. It came with a couple of dents. That's usually a giveaway that it's not legit, because you're not going to really get a dented up box from the actual store. 9 times out of 10 anyway, at least when I purchase things. Whenever I got my designer bags, they never came in any kind of beat up box. So this box isn't horribly beat up, but as you can see, the corners are a little beat up. Then it has a sticker. I don't know if this is like what it comes like, y'all, because I never purchased any type of designer shoes before, so I don't know if this is how it comes. But I like how the box is kind of textured. It's like it has like a crocodile. Here, I'm gonna try to get close so you guys can see it. Can you see it? Kinda. It has like a crocodile kind of print on it, and it has the Balenciaga on the front, and I mean, it looks kind of legit. If this was in your closet or something, I mean, it looks legit. And then each shoe came in one of these bags, which is just like a white mesh bag. So you got one shoe in each. And then they put this bag in there, which it looks like they just have this like linen type of bag. It's no drawstring or anything. And then it just has Balenciaga on the front, which is actually like stamped on the front. It's not like embroidered or anything like that. So again, if you got these shoes authentically, how is that? Is that matching up? Is it not? It kind of looks like it's gonna like it's been ironed on or whatever. I have not been inside of any stores taking a look at these shoes. I don't know how accurate they look just by looking at them, but I think they look pretty good. Now, granted, a lot of these places make these items anyway across these factories, but one is shipped directly to you from this website, and the other is shipped to the store and then hella marked up and then sold. So I don't know, these may be one-on-ones, meaning like mere quality or whatever, but when I compare them to the picture, I definitely was looking at the fabric, so that's number one. I was looking at how straight and like the inches from the bottom Balenciaga is. I was checking out the ends. So the sole has like this kind of it looks like a tennis ball surface, but it's like soft and foamy, and then it has the white. But then in the front, this one has black. There's a few different options on the website, so it can be white up there, it can be black up there. I got the one that's black. I wanted to look most similar because if I'm going to wear something that I didn't get from the store, I don't want to feel uncomfortable when I'm out and about. Like, that's a little embarrassing, okay? Like, okay, I can wear designer knockoffs because I don't want to spend my money on it, but I don't want to look like I'm wearing a designer knockoff. These little sock shoes, I like them. I'm actually about to wear them. Y'all want to see what my outfit looks like? Let me put them on. I got these in European sizes because that's how they come. And when I put them on, they feel so good, y'all. The bottoms look pretty good. The shipping was hella fast. The shipping, it took like maybe less than a week to get to me. It came DHL, so it comes really fast. They have really good pictures. The quality of their pictures are almost like they're in the store and they're taking the pictures of Balenciaga straight up. Like, they will send you pictures if you're unsure about something, because I'm not saying it's cheap at all. It is costly still to buy replicas that are good. So don't get it twisted. You're still going to spend a coin, but if you want to make sure what you're getting matches what you're buying, have them take pictures for you. They will send you quality pictures, and I thought that's pretty awesome. These things are hella comfortable. They make your feet look a little weird because they are like gloves, and I don't plan on wearing these with socks. But I like the way they look. I like the way they feel. If I would have spent $700 on them, so far, I haven't worn them out. So far, I wouldn't have complained, okay? So this is just the look for less. JDSNEAKERS.com. They have pretty good customer service. So if you have an issue, I feel confident they should be able to clear it up for you, fix it for you. Let me show you what I got on. Let me show you my outfit real quick because I'm about to head out. So this is my outfit. I think it's really cute. Very casual. I can just wear like a t-shirt dress, some sneakers. Like, I can do a whole lot with just throwing this on. So I like these sneakers. I wanted them just for casual wear. I think they feel very comfortable. I think they look authentic. It's only you and I secret. You and I secret, okay? So if you see me post these on the gram, mind your business. Actually put a black heart so we got that inside scoop. But I like these. I would recommend. We are 98,000 Diva Doll strong, and I am super excited about that, y'all. I am on my way to 100K, so you already know what I'm gonna say. Be sure that you are subscribed to this channel, as well as my fitness and my vlog channels, and I'll put those links down below to those channels in the box. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. My name is @ChryssyTheDoll. Now, you already know your girl's gonna be slaying. In fact, I'm probably gonna keep these trainers because they look pretty darn good, and if I don't gotta drop $700 on some shoes right now, I can throw that into my business or my house decorations, something else. I mean, hey, it is what it is, okay? I need y'all to live your best life. Forget what society got to say, forget what haters got to say, forget all of that, okay? Live your best life. But yes, that is it. Again, thank you so much for rocking with me, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.